high-energy laser with optical dazzler and surveillance, Helios, is one of the most promising laser weapons in the U.S. inventory. It is a 60 to 120 kilowatt high-energy laser weapon developed by industry leader Lockheed Martin. For decades of experience with laser weapons, went into the development of Helios. The $150 million contract to build Helios was issued 6 years ago in 2018. 4 years later in 2022, the weapon was ready for installation, testing, and trials. Helios was installed on the Buk-class destroyer USS Preble, where it replaces a 20mm Vulcan cannon-armed Mk-15 Phalanx close-in weapon system on the frontal section of the ship. With the installation complete, TRIALS and testing were next. That alone would cost $19 million. Steep, no doubt, but well worth it. From the ship, Helios can take out targets over 5 miles away. The targets in focus are drones and small boats. These pose some serious threats, especially when operating in swarms. So far, the US military has been forced to use million-dollar missiles to take out these relatively cheap threats, some of which cost as low as a few $1,000s. But with Helios, the cost disproportion is shifted in favor of the United States. Helios has a cost of fire, reportedly within the price range of a cup of coffee, much more convenient than the million-dollar price tags of defensive missiles. This is far from all that makes Helios special. The laser beam shot by Helios travel at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, the fastest thing in the universe. This means targets have a very tiny chance of evading certain destruction. In addition to grilling targets to the ground, Helios doubles as a dazzler to obscure adversarial spying and attacks by blinding sensors and confusing missiles. It then triples as a long-range intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance tool by having its sensors integrated into the powerful Aegis system.